Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Trina, aka the Clumsy Cook. Today we're going to be making some pineapple fried rice. I love all things fried rice, and pineapple just puts the perfect twist on this dish. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and let me know what you think. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. So in the essence of time, I've already chopped up all these ingredients, and these are the main ingredients that you're going to use to create this pineapple fried rice. You're going to use 3 cloves of garlic. You're going to cut that up, and then about 3 bunches of green onions. You're going to use about 1/2 of a jalapeno and 1/2 of a bell pepper. And of course, the star of the show, pineapple. So I pretty much used 1/2 of a pineapple here, and I just diced it up. I've cooked some rice and I've measured it out to about 2 cups. I have used 1 egg here, which I've kind of scrambled up and made really kind of flaky. You can use 2 eggs, but I prefer to use just 1. You're going to go ahead and use some cashews also. I personally love this because I feel like it adds a very nutty flavor to this dish, and it complements all the other ingredients very well. Alright, so you're going to grease a pan and add the pineapple and 1 tablespoon of sriracha or hot sauce of choice. You're also going to add some red pepper flakes, and you're going to stir this until all the liquids have dissolved and the pineapple is a little bit caramelized. You're going to add the garlic and the green onions. I've used 1/2 of the green onions at this point, and the other 1/2 I will be sprinkling on top of the fried rice once it's done. Add the bell peppers and jalapenos. I'm also cooking everything on low to medium heat. You can omit the jalapenos if you don't want your fried rice that spicy. I'm a little sensitive to spicy foods, but I do enjoy them. I don't think it's that spicy. It's probably like on a medium scale, but once the jalapenos are cooked, they do kind of get rid of some of that spice, and I feel like it really adds a real good flavor to it. Add the cashews and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I absolutely love the smell of everything at this point, with the mix of the cashews, the bell peppers, the jalapenos. All those flavors combined just make something so perfect. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and pretty much prepare to add the rice. You really want to dry out your rice before adding it to this dish, because too much of a soggy rice will leave this dish really unpleasant. I've done that before, so I highly recommend just cooking your rice before and leaving it out to dry a little bit. You're going to add some liquid aminos. I added about 2.5 tablespoons, but you can do less or more depending on your preference. Add the scrambled eggs and a squeeze of lime, and you are all set. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think.